Hello and welcome to this gentle 10-minute yoga stretch to help you slow down and reset your body and mind. Let's begin in a comfortable child's pose. Bring your toes together and take your knees wider, as wide as comfortable. Move your hips side to side to settle down. And release your forehead down to the mat or on top of your hands. Close your eyes. Deepen your breath. Slowly breathe in through the nose. Breathe out through the mouth a couple times. Inhale fresh air, new energy. Exhale tension and stress. One more slow inhale, fill up your body with air. And exhale, release through the mouth. Slowly come up to your hands and knees. And for a puppy pose, keep your knees underneath your hips. Toes can be pointed or tucked in for better balance. Drop your elbows down and move them forward so you can release your chest down towards the mat. Bring the forehead down and find a gentle back bend in your spine. Continue to breathe deeply with inhale, filling up the rib cage, expanding it, and with exhale, softening your heart towards the mat. Notice a stretch around your shoulders, chest, back, and breathe into this sensation. One more breath in puppy pose. Then as you release, lay down to your belly. Move your right elbow out to the side, keeping it in line with the shoulder. Lower your head to the ground and gently roll to the right side to find the stretch on your right shoulder and maybe a bit on the chest as well. Send the breath into those areas where you feel the stretch or the tension. Inhale and exhale through the nose. Slowly change sides, left elbow in line with the shoulder and roll to the left side. Slowly release the position, come back to center. Tuck your toes under. Press yourself up onto your hands and knees, and then into downward facing dog. Walk your feet out on spot, pressing the heels towards the ground one by one, stretching the back of the legs, calves, hamstrings, hips. Then lower your knees down to the floor again and bring your right foot forward to the outside of your right hand. Gently press your hips forward and down to find a deep hip stretch. Try to keep your hands or fingertips down on the mat. If this is too much, come up a little higher and keep the elbows on your front leg. Breathe into it. Try to really soften into the sensation. Check your face, check your jaw. There is a tendency to clench the jaw if the stretch feels really intense. So try to soften your face, jaw, shoulders, hips. Release and slowly take your right leg back and change sides. Left foot comes forward. Adjust your position, keeping your hands on the floor or elbows on the front thigh, and breathe. Slow breath in, slow breath out. Slowly release, take your time, bring your left leg back. Come up into downward facing dog and walk your feet towards your hands to end up in forward bend. Feet hip distance apart, knees can be bent or straight, whatever feels best. Hold the opposite elbows with your hands, relax your neck, relax your head. Stay still or gently rock side to side. Feeling the stretch on the back of the body, hamstrings, hips, back. Take one more slow breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Then release your knees to the floor, sit up on your heels. Roll the shoulders back and interlace fingers behind the back. Press the palms together and gently pull your hands away from the lower back. Lift up your heart. Open your chest. One more deep breath in, lift your heart higher. And with exhale, release your hands. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach your arms out and up, stretch up. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Put a gentle smile on your face and open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today. Hope you enjoyed this short yoga class and feel a little better in your body and mind. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!